Tarun, share the screen, no? I already started recording.
Yes, sir, sharing.
I think you can go to the next one. Next tab. Open your Excel case study tab.
Excel, sir.
Go to next Adobe Forms.
Adobe. Okay, sir. I will show my Adobe Forms.
What is the purpose of Adobe Forms? What is the use of forms concept in SAP?
Forms are generally used to list out the items what we have purchased or
Simple
sales
definition.
order report.
Simple definition. Printable documents. Printable documents.
It's a
Like sales order,
printable
purchase order,
documents.
printable documents. Billing document. Which will exchange with the external people, basically. Remember the concept. Reports and Adobe Forms defense is reports
Yes, sir.
internal, right? I told you internal analysis of the company. For example, Amazon want to analyze what are the sales they have done from January 1st to till now. That is a report of Amazon employees, right? I mean Amazon analysis purpose. Whereas you purchase some mobile in the Amazon, you will get a billing document or not. Invoice you'll get or not. Invoice, right?
Yes, sir.
That is you are external to the Amazon, right? So that comes as under as a smart form or Adobe form. I think page numbers should display, right? Here page 1 of 1, 2 of 1, like that. All of you. Page number should display.
Okay, sir.
You can note down some of all of you. Page numbers.
Those who have the requirement, sir.
Whoever is they have mentioned in the document, page numbers.
Yes, sir.
Page numbers. You will get some challenge. You should display in Adobe Forms as the Excel in your case study.
Sir, here Tarun made the document 1 of 4, right? Here we can only see page 1 of 1, right? For each document. We can't say this is the second of 4.
That came, I think, by default, right? That 1 of 1 and all. What you should do is below you should print that page numbers. Below the table data is there, right? Below table data.
Yes, sir.
Page 1.
Here it should come. How it should come is 1 of 1 for each page, each header data. Right?
It could only
Every time when new header appears, it should come as a new page. Like that.
Then it's one only, sir. So it should be one only, right?
If you have more data,
that's a different scenario. Right now,
Sir.
only 1 page, right?
Sir, sir, generally we have for what our requirement is for the same header, all the items should be displayed in that particular page. So if
not
we
only
get
particular page.
our input is in selection range.
If data more than 1 page, it goes to next page automatically.
It goes to next page, sir. Not, sir. Vasi is asking that our document is 1 of 1, 1 of 1, sir. 1 of 4, sir. ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ పేజ్ నెంబర్ ప్రతి ఇండివిజువల్ కి పేజ్ 1 ఉంటుంది కదా, 1 2 3 4 రాదు కదా అంటున్నాడు.
No, we should build that logic.
Okay.
That is how we can, right?
You should.
Each document is different, right? For particular material number, document will be different. So at the moment, the page will start from one, right?
No, I'll tell you. See, I'll share my screen.
Sir, you are asking that all the PDFs should be merged into one PDF and it has to display like that.
Not an issue. Just keep it like that only. See, for example, say this is material number 100. Okay. For this, we have maybe material 100 and 100. Like this, we have records. Or I think sales order, purchase order will take. PBLN, PKKO, PBLN. Yeah. So 100 is my purchase order number. Header. Okay. For this 100, right? And item number 1, 100, item number 2, 100, item number 3, 100, item number 4. Okay. Like this, it may have more than one page as well here. Maybe right here. Like this up to here, it may be right 100 and 90. Means items. This many. This may skip. Go to more than one page, right? In that case.
Sir, you are saying that if in particular document, if there are the pages exceeding into second page, then you
Correct.
should run page 1 of 1 or page 1 of 2.
Correct.
Like that
Correct.
only.
Correct. Correct.
Okay,
Correct.
if it exceeds the current page number only,
Correct.
not
Correct.
that document.
Correct. Correct.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes. Then it's okay, sir. Fine.
Yeah. Simple is like if number of header, see number of header. If number of header or 5 అనుకోండి. Suppose there are 5. Total pages should be pages it becomes total pages become 5. Got the point? Total number. For header 1, page 1. Okay.
Sir,
Here what you should
sir,
do?
yes, sir. Here for each individual header, we are printing the Adobe form, sir. అప్పుడు
Correct.
అది పేజ్ ఎలా అవుతుంది సార్? సపరేట్ డాక్యుమెంట్ అవుతుంది కదా సార్?
Documented, but if data is going more than one page.
అవును సార్. లూప్ లో మనం కాల్ చేస్తున్నప్పుడు ప్రతిసారి ప్రతి ఇండివిజువల్ హెడర్ కి కాల్ అవుతున్నప్పుడు ఒకటి జనరేట్ అవుతుంది కదా సార్? ఒకటే జనరేట్ అవుతుంది పర్టికులర్ హెడర్ కి. ఇప్పుడు సెకండ్ టైం డేటా వెళ్తున్నప్పుడు సెకండ్ ఫామ్ జనరేట్ చేసిద్ది. అప్పుడు ఆ పేజ్ ఈ పేజ్ సేమ్ కాదు కదా సార్? డిఫరెంట్ పేజెస్
No,
కదా?
no, no. Based on
అప్పుడు
the
వన్
set,
ఆఫ్
it will come. Based on the set, suppose one set is going to 2 pages. Okay, page number is 1 only. But
అవును సార్.
header is only 1 only. In one, you have 2 pages.
ఓకే. అదే సార్. అదే క్లారిటీ.
So for that, from the program, you should pass 2 variables as a runtime. One is
Okay.
for total number of pages. It comes through if you count the number of records in the header internal table. Header internal table. And current page will be whenever you are calling, that will be the current page. Like that. Try. Okay,
Yes,
na?
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, move on. Right. Go to the Adobe form. Go to the Adobe form program.
Program, sir.
Program. Go to interface. Wait. Go to first form, SAP. Go to SAP.
Sir, SAP.
SAP. Go to SAP.
SFP, sir.
SAP.
SF.
Go display mode only, all of you. Don't go change mode when you are presenting to the SME. Yes. Go to interface, properties. Double click the interface name. Double click.
Double click, it should go into enter.
Double click there.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Okay. What is the purpose of your input parameter?
Input parameter is for generating the header data and item data.
No. Instead of generating, can we give any other correct word?
We are passing the generating and passing.
Correct. Passing data from where to where?
Passing data from selection screen to Adobe Form.
No. It is going to receive the data from the driver program, import options, import or whatever you will be.
Okay.
For the point. So this import parameters, what you are declaring, these are going to get the information from the program, driver program, print program, C38 program. Should not call C38 program is not the correct word. Program, print program or driver program. That is the correct terminology.
Okay,
What is use of global data? Global data.
global data is responsible for that particular block only, not for the
Particular block.
entire. So we define only global data when we want to iterate through our internal loop, internal table, right? That for that particular only.
No. Any other more meaningful, more nearest answer?
Nearest
Global data, it's for when we are working with the different types of data. Like in our interface, we can only access only for ourselves. When we use in our global data, it can be accessible for you also. That data type.
No.
Sir, global data is created for the interface level only, sir. Oh, in the interface, we can access the data anywhere.
Correct. With respect to form only, that one, not from the program, it won't come. Global data. Global data, when you go for is, whenever you are writing the code in the code installation tab, you can define your local objects with respect to form, not from the program. It won't come from data from the program for that purpose. And what the purpose of code installation here?
Instead of writing the program in
Right.
C38, you write the program in code
Inside the
initialization.
Adobe form interface.
Yes, sir.
Is it a best practice or not a best practice?
Not a best practice, sir.
Inside the Adobe form. No, because
Not a best practice.
not a best practice.
Because the data flows from user side, right? User will use the data.
No. Because
Interface can be used in many Adobe forms, sir. It will be global.
that is the advantage.
So we
What you are
can
saying is, Akshit, you are saying is advantage of the interface. What I'm saying
We
is, what I'm
can't
asking is, what is the challenge if you write a code inside the interface?
We
perform
can't
validation.
Stop driver program. If you write inside the interface, what is the difference? That's what I'm asking.
So code
Sir, we cannot
installation
handle the data
right
explicitly.
in the uh,
No.
Maybe
so
we can't
that code
perform
will
the
be executed at
validations
the
on the
runtime, right?
particular data. Before fetching entire data, we can write a single self statement, right?
Correct. Validation is one point. Other one is
That by using that program, we can call multiple Adobe forms,
correct
not only
answer.
this form.
Correct. Reusability. So driver program can call more than one Adobe form, one driver program. Right? Because what you are doing, just bring the data and call the function model, whatever the function model you call, it will execute. That is the reason you should not write the code inside the smart form or interface. You should write in the driver program only. Driver program can call one driver program can notice of parallel some of you. One driver program can call more than one Adobe form. Okay. Next, go to the program. Okay, go back layout. what is the subform meaning? Purpose of subform?
Container within the main container.
As a subcontainer.
As a group of objects will place right there.
Yes, sir. As a group of objects will protected.
So that you can write a code, script code accordingly, dynamically you can write hiding and all the validations or anything. Now here, go to that. What is the difference between master pages and design page, design view and master pages?
In master page, the data will be reflected
In
to each and every page,
master
and data view
Design view. What is the difference between these two?
So master page, we will give the data when we want to reflect in every page of Adobe which we are printing. And design view contains the data which is changing every time based upon the header. In short.
Okay. Go to your program, develop program. Program of this Adobe file. Down here. Down. This line number 221 and all change it to text elements.
Yes, sir. Text I will change.
Okay, na?
Yes, sir. Yes.
In line number 231 also, you can make it as a constant. Or other option is take as a parameter. This one also you can give it. Instead of a constant. So that
Form name, sir.
You can make it as a parameter. This form name, Adobe form name.
Yes, sir.
Why that from 236 to 239 we are doing?
Surpassing the printer form using out params, declaring here only, so it will not ask every time the printing device.
Dialog box you are avoiding.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It come as a one document to come finally one PDF. Right? Go down. What is use of FP job open?
Sir, FB it initializes the printing one. It initializes the printing process.
Printing process, correct. Down. I think you are not using function model. You should use that FP function model.
So it's throwing in error. Free function model when you are using it, it's saying processing exception.
Still keep it. Still keep that function model. Without that function model, they will take as a very wrong way of coding. You can tell the reason.
So when we use the dynamic one, we're getting error instead of writing the LB function name.
Still see that is okay because it's software issue. Okay. So because of that, you should not remove the FP function model name. That is very wrong way of coding. Keep that program. Okay, you can hard code here. Then you can tell if why you have done the hard coding. But don't remove from your program FP function model name.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Sir, if something is not working, so we have to keep it in our program.
No, that is issue, right? That is the concept we should follow. This is some software problem.
Okay.
If you don't keep that, they think that we don't know that concept of FP function model, and it should not. Go
Sir?
down. Oh, yes.
Sir, in case study, they have mentioned that we need to write separate program for Woods LV and separate program for Adobe Fonts. Should we have to write in different program or else write like how Tarun wrote?
I think all written separate program and called right using submit statement.
Okay.
Using submit statement.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Go to
for
code.
me, it was not mentioned that sir, in my case study, it was not mentioned that I need to create two different programs for ALV
Does
and
not matter. Based on the
Adobe.
functionality, we can go.
Okay.
Go to the code, Adobe Form code. I have done this one now. I forgot one more thing, all of you.
Sir, Adobe Form.
One more thing, all of you.
Sir,
Go at the beginning or end. You should clear all the internal tables areas. Memory space, free internal table.
after completing
All.
the job, sir.
At the end only.
Means after completing all the process.
Yes, I can show my screen quickly.
Yes, sir.
So we should write clear internal tables and all last step.
At the end, last. In memory area also, free also. But be very careful. If you write in between, is gone. No data will come. Right? For example, here. At the end, right here. Maybe in this case, you can use subroutine as well. Better if you write like this. Click on this. You say, no, it's a good practice. Not better, it's important. But don't confuse and then do all mistakes of your program now. Okay? Hello? Okay, go ahead, Tarun. And the best practice is not only at the end, even before starting also, better. VBAK, I don't have, I think. The best practice is this perform statement. You should call at the beginning only, before using also. Generally, we're doing real-time projects like this. So that previous data will gone. But be careful when you are applying this one. Okay, na?
Yep. So we should clear before the select statement.
Before you actual select statements. You share the screen now, Tarun.
Yes.
Okay, next, go to the next one. What is the next one? Happy.
This one, sir.
Open that
Material
program.
saved data.
Open that program.
సార్ అది పెండింగ్ ఉంది సార్ అది ఇంకా అవ్వలేదు మిగతా అన్ని అయిపోయినాయి.
Okay, you can do it. Click on CDS view.
अच्छा CDS view. Okay, sir.
Open that CDS view in system. What is the purpose of CDS view?
Generally, we use CDS view can be used multiple times.
That is reusability, but business point of view, other advantages.
We can
We can
perform
perform
validation
aggregate
by
function.
aggregate functions inside the CDS view.
Which concept it has been built CDS view? One important concept it has been built in one.
Don't expose a database table to direct user. With the help of
that is-
CDS view, we can expose the database table.
One more point is there. Based on what is the core concept of new web syntax and CDS view? There is one core concept is there. There is one word is there. What is that word? New web syntax and as well as CDS views has been built on one new concept of HANA. What is that? Don't forget that.
Version control.
No.
Very,
very important word.
Views, sir, views.
No. You want first
In
character?
general,
You want hint?
Yes, sir.
it extended the XQL, right?
There is one word. First character is C. The answer is two words.
Customer.
No. First
Wait.
character is C. Very important.
Code push down, sir.
Perfect. Perfect word. Don't forget that. The whole SAP S4HANA built on that concept only. All this new web syntax, CDS views, all these things. What is the meaning of code push down?
Code push down.
Pushing the code. Very simple. As per name it says. Right?
Reusing same code multiple times.
No.
Performing the
Pushing the
action in the
code
page.
logic towards the database. All aggregate functions, so string operations, so all these things you are doing, right? All these operations you are pushing to database. That is what the meaning of code push down concept.
Code push down, yes, sir.
Right? What is this annotations? What is the ABAP catalog view enhancement category?
So basically, it enables whether a particular CDSU can be extended or not. One of the use.
Second one, authorization not required. What is that access control authorization not required?
To use this particular program, there is required any authorization or the data by previewing the data of this particular CDSU.
How do you control that? Other than not required, what you can give?
You can make it a check mandatory, not required, or privileged only. For check, the runtime behavior is identical to not.
Okay, go through this one documentation and all. Okay, na? What is exactly
Okay.
concept of this one?
Okay, sir.
They may ask you this annotations. No, go cancel this one.
Yes, sir.
What is that text label? What is that ignore? What is that? Metadata ignore. What is that?
Metadata ignore propagated annotations.
What is that?
Propagated annotations are sometimes used to if there's some annotations to bypass or surpass the existing annotations. What we can say is
okay. Next, go to the extend CDS view. Can we create CDS view in SC11 directly or not?
no, sir. We can't create anything.
Can we see the CDS view in SC11 or not?
No, sir. No, sir.
CDS view, we cannot see.
Yes, sir, we
We
can
cannot
see that.
see. We can see. We cannot create.
We cannot create and we cannot edit also. Okay. Next, go to extend CDS view.
Except for me, there is no extend CDS was given.
Oh, you don't have extend CDS view. Go to the Excel. OData. What is the purpose of OData?
The OData services is how the front end will communicate to the back end using OData protocol under HTTP methods, get, post, put, and delete. All the data is communicate between this URL and the backend system which we are writing the code.
Okay, so after OData service is developed, where is this application can be used? OData service can be used in which places? As a
Fiori
front
applications.
in the Fiori applications as a front end. What is the other one? You can give as a API also, right?
Yes, sir, and endpoint to communicate. Yes, sir.
API. Go to that to open the code of your your OData.
OData.
What is the meaning of data model?
Data model is responsible for the data structure which you are importing. And then entity sets
What are the
also.
tables involved? What are the fields is involved?
Yes, sir.
Go to the method where you have written the code.
This is for get entity set, sir.
What is that ET underscore entity set?
Internal table, sir.
How do we know?
Sir, here we can see, sir.
Double click that.
Sure.
Double click will not go.
You can go from here also, sir.
Oh.
Method.
You can check this as a parameter, right?
Method as parameter. We can go here. Here entity set. It refers to the type which we are from my type.
All this generated by
for
SAP.
SAP, the type which we have created the structure for.
Don't go to this much. This inside this code and all. Don't try to debug or by heart today and tomorrow. Okay, na? All of you.
Okay, sir.
Back. Okay, go to code again. Second code. Go to next one.
Sure.
Insert code. Go to insert code.
Insert, sir. Insert.
Create code. Create.
Sir.
What is line number 22, 23 will do?
Line number 22 will fetch the data which was inserted by the user as a request and it will get from ES data is responsible for fetching the data from the front end part, and I am storing that particular data into my work area, and I am moving shifting from work area to ER entity, because ER entity is responsible for pushing down the code, and I am inserting directly from ER entity.
ER underscore entity is the internal table or work area?
Work area, sir.
Work area. How do you know?
Sir, here we can, because in general way we'll create only one record at a time, but you can
Correct,
see here.
correct.
It is also refers to my class which I have created.
Correct.
Yes,
Go back next one. Go to update entity, update method.
yes sir, update.
What is that we are doing from 21 to 24?
The 21 is I'm creating a work area of my table structure, and I'm getting the data from the front end part, the URL which is used as a request. I'm inserting that into my work area.
Yes. Basically, you are getting that from the payload, the record you are getting here.
Yes, sir. The payload which was in the front end, in the URL part, I'm getting from here. Next, I will be updating all the fields
of the table, whatever the information you got, the new rate, you are overwriting.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Go to delete.
Sure.
Right. Delete what we are doing here.
The delete first, I need to create a structure for IT key tab. So that for my particular table, I have 3 primary keys. So IT key tab will only read one key at a time. So I am reading the key into work area with the key name of my first primary key here, MBLNR. Next,
So
with
basically, you are reading the data, what you pass through the payload.
Payload, sir. I'm getting all the primary key primary key values into my variables, and based upon that variables, I'm deleting that.
You are checking that record is available or not. Based on the availability, you are deleting it. Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Done. Okay. Yes. I'll stop recording.